A bonus with spacer sale for BMW M4. This BMW with spacers are made of aluminum. It's stored between the hub assembly and the wheel, pushing the wheels out to increase the distance between the hub assembly and the wheels.
BONOSS with spacers are crafted from 7075-T6 and 6061-T6 aluminum alloy, ensuring exceptional strength, corrosion resistance, and lightweight properties. This high-grade material is used in aerospace and motorsports applications, making it perfect for high-performance vehicles, unlike generic wheel spacers that may introduce vibrations. BONOSS multi-stage hub-centric wheel spacers feature a precisely machined centerboard that perfectly matches the hub.
The hollow-out design of BONOSS forged lateral pass wheel spacers is further optimized on the basis of the traditional wheel spacers. It is an effective design that can effectively reduce the weight and energy consumption, improves handling while ensuring safety and reliability.
BONOSS wheel spacers undergo over 73 strict SGS and tooth testing, ensuring they meet the highest industry standards. With precise manufacturing tolerance and rigorous quality control, these spacers offer compromising safety and reliability. Whether you are aiming for a wider stance, better handling, or improved brake clearance, BONOSS wheel spacer provides a perfect solution. BONOSS delivers a precise fit. If you are looking to transform your performance and appearance, BONOSS wheel spacers are an investment you won't regret.
That's all for today's video. If you want to get this BONOSS with spacers, please see the link below. See you next time. Bye bye.